Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted another Starline i96 on a Mazda CX5 2016 diesel. Customer had one stolen before. He's a bit worried about this proximity key, so we fitted a device. Now on this system here we've done two forms of blocking. We've done analog, which is a mechanical cut, and we've done cam blocking. So what the customer does is someone was to jump in to his house, take his keys, try to start it, the vehicle won't start. Okay, so customer now can disarm it in one of two ways. You can either use Bluetooth authorization by pairing to the system and downloading an app called Starline Key, which I'll show you shortly, or he just goes through a push sequence. Now basically ignition on, main ignition on, go through your push sequence. On here we've done something very simple. So 1, 2, 3, receive your authorization. There you go. Cycle the ignition off and back on and start the vehicle. Really simple, really straightforward. Also, if the customer wants to change the code, this is also straightforward. And the way you would do that is turn the ignition on, go through your disarm procedure, receive your melody, then hit any of the buttons on the network 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the key off, wait for 2 seconds, turn it back on. Got 5 bleeps. So now we're just going to do it to something even basic. So if the buttons are on the network, when you tap it, you'll get a bleep. So on this vehicle, I know which buttons work. So I'm just going to use this button. So 1, 2, 3, wait for authorization. There you go. Repeat the new code again. If the new code is the same as the last code, you'll get a double bleep. If it's incorrect, you'll get a grunt. There you go. Code is now learnt. So if I turn off the ignition, give it about 10 seconds for it to activate again, and we'll try the new code. I think that should be about 10 seconds. Ignition on. Insert your new code. Get your confirmation. There you go. Start your vehicle. So cycle off and then back on and start. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, if you wanted to pair a Bluetooth tag or pair your phone to it, first of all you download a Starline Key and then you put it into a learn mode. So first of all the system has to be disarmed. Ignition on, go through your disarm procedure, receive your melody, then hit this 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn ignition off, turn it back on. And you've got 7 bleeps. That's now discoverable. So if you just download the app, search for it, once you've found it, it will say Starline i96, put 6 zeros, confirm it, you'll get a bleep, disarm it, you get one more bleep, so it's learnt one tag, i.e. your phone, and it's learnt. And all you then do is ignition on, listen to your melody and start. Also, finally, whenever you want to take it for a service, you can either use the app or you can use the buttons. I'll show you how to do that. So ignition on, disarm it, receive your confirmation, and then hit this button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Turn the ignition off, count to 2 and turn it back on. 2 bleeps. That's now in valet mode. So that means you can start the vehicle as many times as you want. Once you get the vehicle back, to take it out of valet mode, you basically ignition on, go through your push sequence, double bleep. That's now out of valet mode. So it means the vehicle's going to be protected once we leave it about 10 seconds. So let's just try that. Give it about 10 seconds. See if we can start it. No confirmation. Vehicle don't start. Okay. So just again, ignition on. Insert your push sequence. Receive your melody. Start your vehicle. So ignition off and then start. Really clever, really straightforward. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478. 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.